Hi guys, if you have Freightliner trucks with Detroit engines and you see the oil is leaking from the oil pan, pay attention to the following. An oil pan leak on trucks is a common issue that can occur due to various reasons such as worn out gaskets, loose bolts, or damage to the oil pan itself. The oil pan is located at the bottom of the engine and holds the engine oil. If there is a leak in the oil pan, it can cause the engine oil to leak out, which can lead to engine damage if not solved quickly. To fix an oil pan leak, the first step is to identify the source of the leak. This can be done by inspecting the oil pan and gaskets for any visible signs of damage or wear. Once the source of the leak is identified, the damaged gasket or oil pan may need to be replaced or repaired. Once the oil pan is down, remove and replace all of the bolts. It is important to address an oil pan leak promptly, as it can lead to engine damage and reduced engine performance. Regular maintenance and inspections can help prevent oil pan leaks and other issues with your truck's engine. Take care of yourself and your truck. Download the app Red Mechanic for free, which helps truckers everywhere.